Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn French with Megha. Today we are going to learn prepositions before countries and cities, which are called les prépositions devant la paix et la ville. In English, we use to, in, from before country and city. But in French, we use these prepositions O, on, du, D apostrophe, a with accent graph, they with country and city. It is used to express going to or of being in a place. For example, I am going to Paris or I am in Paris. It is also used to express coming from or belonging to a place. I am coming from Paris or I am from Paris. All countries, like other nouns, are gendered. Countries whose spelling ends with E are feminine, but these countries are the exceptions. These countries are ending with E, but these countries are masculine countries. Mozambique, Mexico, Zaire, Zimbabwe. Now, first of all, we will talk about the prepositions used before city. To talk about going to or of being in a city, we use a with accent grave with city. For example, vous habitez à Delhi. You live in Delhi. Or il travaille à Agra. He works in Agra. To talk about coming from or belonging to the city, we use vanir verb plus the or d apostrophe with vowels. For example, vous venez de Delhi. You come from Delhi or you are from Delhi. Il vient de Agra. He comes from Agra or he is from Agra. To talk about coming from or belonging to the city, it is important to know the conjugation of venir verb. And the conjugation is je viens, tu viens, il or elle vient, nous venons, vous venez, il or elle viennent. Now we will talk about prepositions with country. To talk about going or of being in a country, preposition o is used with all the feminine countries and countries starting with a vowel. For example, je vais en Suisse. Here, Swiss is a feminine country, so O is used with Swiss. Il travaille en Inde. And is starting with a vowel, that's why O is used with N. He works in India. Preposition O is used with all the masculine countries. For example, je vais au Japon. Japan is a masculine country, so O is used with Japan. He goes to Japan. Il travaille au Portugal. He works in Portugal. Here, Portugal is again a masculine country, so O is used with Portugal. Preposition O, AUX is used with all the plural countries. For example, je vais aux États-Unis. États-Unis is a plural country, so O, AUX is used. Il travaille aux Antilles. Antilles is a plural country, so AUX is used with Antilles. To talk about coming from or belonging to the country, venir with the or d apostrophe with vowels is used with all the feminine countries. For example, je viens de France or vous venez d'Inde. I come from France or I am from France. You come from India or you are from India. Venir with you or d apostrophe is used with all the masculine countries. For example, nous venons du Japon. We come from Japan. Or ils viennent d'Afghanistan. Afghanistan is starting with a vowel, so the apostrophe is used. They come from Afghanistan or they are from Afghanistan. Vanir plus they is used with all the plural countries, either it is masculine or feminine. For example, tu via des États-Unis, you come from United States, or elles viennent des Antilles, they come from Antilles or they are from Antilles. Now we will see some sentences and try to fill correct preposition. First one is il vient dash Japo. As Japan is a masculine country, and here it is a vanir verb. It means he come from Japan. So with masculine countries, we use du. So du will come here. Il travaille dash Paris. He works dash Paris. Paris is a city, and with city we use a with accent grave. Second one is LV dash Mumbai. Here Mumbai is again a city, so with city we use a with accent grave. On end, as end is starting with a vowel, so we use o with end. Nous venons dash Russie. We come. Here we are using vanir verb, so it means we are talking about coming from or belonging to a country. So Russie is a feminine country. We use the as with vanir plus the for feminine countries. Il voyage dash Rome. Rome is again a city, so we use a with accent grave. O Italy. Here Italy is starting with a vowel, and with countries starting with the vowel, we always use o. Est-ce que tu habites dash Canada? Do you live dash Canada? Canada is again a masculine country, so we use O. Je suis né dash États-Unis. États-Unis is again a plural country. So with plural countries, we use AUX, as I told you earlier. Thanks a lot for watching my video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. But please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the notification icon. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt.